Hello. Your news, right here. Yep. More telegram lines coming. Whoever built you knew what you was doing.
Mr. Marston! Mr. Marston, over here! You must be John Marston.
Sometimes.
I'm Jake. Your friends from Blackwater hired me to guide you.
They ain't my friends, but pleased to meet you, Jake.
I got the horses saddled up and ready out front. Sorry. You ain't gonna find sturdier horses than these in all of New Austin. Easy on the spurs now. We don't need to draw undue attention. Come on, Mr. Marston. No need for that. Wait, Mr. Marston. You ain't gonna find a horse without me.
Come on! Come on! Easy. I doubt it. I ain't planning on staying very long.
Well, if you're fixing for some female company, you can do a lot worse than armadillo. Fine as cream gravy they are. Not like clean slammers. Dang, those girls ain't even fit for a drinking man to hold up with.
I'm a married man, I'm afraid.
Try to stay with me. I don't want you to get lost. Yeah, so it was the marshal who hired me, Lee Johnson. Do you know him?
I think I heard his name.
Says he got a telegram from Blackwater Big Buck asking for a guy. I'll get you to Fort Mercer as quick as I can. We ain't never gonna get to the border if you keep riding off like that. You ain't very talkative, are you?
Nope.
I'm just chewing the dog, mister. It's how I am. I don't mean nothing by it.
Trust me, there's things you're better off not knowing. Come on.
You don't look much like no Blackwater fella.
That's because I ain't.
If I'm being honest, I don't care much for those highfalutin big city types. Not much at all. A fella told me he was out in Blackwater a few months back and saw one of them newfangled carriages without horses.
Is that so?
And you wind him up like a shot. Damnedest thing ye ever saw without the aid of liquor, he told me.
Times are changing fast. That's for sure. Let's go.
Wait up, Mr. Marston. You're gonna get lost. Stay with me, Mr. Marston. Fort Mercer ain't
Let's
easy
go.
to find. Damn coyotes. What a waste of good meat. Not far now, Mr. Marston. The fort's just over this hill.
Yeah.
Giddy up.
Listen, mister. This here is what's left of Fort Mercer. Some gang rode in and took the place over.
So I understand.
Giddy up.
Yeah.
And he fell right into Jorge's
Crusko.
I don't trust that Jeremiah stomach up with his plan. I like some things, but not too much things.
Mr. Marston, back in the land of the living, I see.
Figured it's about time I started paying back that $15.
I sure can use an extra pair of hands round here. Let's see if we can get you back in the saddle. There's the foreman's office. It's also where we lock up good-for-nothing outlaws, such as yourself.
I'm happy enough with my current quarters right now, Miss McFarland.
Hop on up. He won't bite. Mount up. We got a ranch to patrol. Are you getting on the horse?